Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle can be represented as 1/2 times the base times the height. Or it could be shown as area equals 1/2 base times height. Now the base is how long it is, and then our height is how tall it is, but it is not the diagonal. But it is not the length of the diagonal line. And the height must meet the base at a right angle. So let's look at an example. Example 1. Find the area of the triangle below. So you see we have a base here, which is this 4, and this is our height. So notice this base forms with the height, and it forms a 90-degree angle. So let's look at the area. So area is equal 1/2 base times height. So if we go ahead and plug that in, we have the base of 4 times our height, which is 3. So if we were to do that calculation, four times 3, which is equal to 12, and then we can just divide it by 2 to represent the 1/2, because this is showing 4 times 3 times 1 divided by 2. So this is 6, and because we don't have units, we'll just put units squared. So now let's do another example. Example 2. Now here we have a right angle is when two lines meet and they form the edges of a perfect square. So example 2, find the area of the triangle below. So here we have a different triangle. Here we have the height, which is shown here, and then this is our base. So this is what forms the 90-degree angles on both sides. And so what we need to do to find area is we go 1/2 times base times the height. So we get 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 2. Now if we were to go ahead and calculate that out, we would go 4 times 2, then divided by 2, and we get 4 units squared.